Hello guys, Anti-Game-Boy here on the GeekGamerSquad channel. And today I'm bringing you some more Amnesia. Just about here, I was making fun of the noise. Hold on. Noise is freaking hilarious. See how many times I can do it. Whoa! Disco box. Where'd it go? Beatles. Last time I had to like combine them. What? You freaking kidding me? Using the appropriate what? Apparent or something. What does that mean? For God's sakes. Frickin'. Wait, what did that just say? Laboratory. I have. Oh! Alright, I'm gonna get hit here. Oh, no, never mind. I'm tired. Oh boy, I'm gonna have some fun down here. What is up with that shit? Oh, shut up. It's annoying. I was like flipped out by the noises before, but now I'm just annoyed as hell. Stupid Beatles. Oh, smile.
There should be more coop rats. Never see them see. And one part aqua force.
Wait, what was the last thing you said before that? This is awesome. Ooh. Sorry if you hear that weird noise, it's the... I don't know what it is. This is below. The hell? Is this what they mean by container? Can't break, so... Oh, it can. Oh wait, no it can't. Wow. Well, that one has a cork in it, so... That's a container. My God. I'm trying to see if I can pick any of them up. What? That is a container, for God's sakes. Jesus. I'm stupid. Oh, it's a tinder. Another tinder. Christ. Wow, I'm retarded. I'm like the most stupid guy I ever known. 10 minutes to do this. Are you kidding me? There we go. Woo. Alrighty, let's get out of here. Alright. Oh, that's what made the noise. So now I need to do some sort of strategistic thing. Could I take this? Thank you, hint. Okay, I've got like 3 minutes. Let's get hit. Oh, okay, never mind. Here, I'm gonna get hit. I know it. Wow. Alrighty, let's go in here. Woo. Oh my god. I'm getting kind of creeped out. I haven't seen the monster yet. He should be here soon. I saw him like the one time, but I was really flipped out. I think the last episode.
It sure is dark in here.
Yes, and there's a good reason for it. But you can light the lamp now if you wish.
What's the reason? For the darkness, that is.
Stay close. Be careful not to stray.
What's the reason? Why is it so dark?
Pay attention, Daniel. It's important that you keep going straight and make sure not to stray.
No. Oh shit. I'm going in. Is he still there? Alright, I gotta pause it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Love you.